It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm wearing a Halloween shirt. My background is fall, and we're going to talk about Christmas. Yes, all the seasons are colliding today, but I got to do this one because I'm kind of excited. So on Instagram, I'm going to put his Instagram handle below and his YouTube channel. Thank you so much, Chris, for sending me some photos of Bath and Body Works Christmas. Chris actually did a video, which you're going to want to check out on his channel. His channel, like I said, is called This Guy Shops. So subscribe, check him out. You're going to find a lot of cool Christmas because he is lucky enough to live near a Bath and Body Works test store. In Ohio, they have one. I believe they have one in Atlanta, too. So if you're kind of near a test store, you're going to get an early sneak peek of Christmas. So I'm just going to actually put up a screenshot right here. Check it out. Aren't those beautiful? There's something magical. Oh, there's Coco in the other room. Just seeing all these Christmas candles. They had a lot of candles. Here's another screenshot. How lucky are you to get a $12.95 Christmas candle? Looks like twisted peppermint, winter candy apple. I'm loving the holiday tradition look this year. They're super pretty, so I'm actually going to go down the list. Tess always puts a list of Christmas candles. Check her out too. Life Inside the Page, her blog. So we're just going to kind of go and talk about Christmas candles. So the White Barn plaid labels, flannel, classic, fresh balsam, which I actually have right here. I ordered a fresh balsam. You're going to see fresh balsam in about 5 different jar styles. They do fresh balsam all over the place. This is the one that kind of matches the warm apple pie. There's something magical about fresh balsam at Bath and Body Works. It is woodland balsam, crisp eucalyptus, fir branches, and cedarwood. They must sell an awful lot of these. Frosted cranberry, hot cocoa and cream. By the way, the jar for hot cocoa and cream is delightful. I love the plaid. I'm not going to show you the picture. I want you to go over to Tess's blog. There's like a mug of hot chocolate. It's beautiful. Let's see, Marshmallow Fireside, Sugared Snickerdoodle, and The Perfect Christmas. So a lot of classics going on there. The White Barn core, you can see Chris took some nice pictures, the whole floor set of the White Barn core. Snowy Peachberry. Ugh, I don't do Snowy Peachberry. The Perfect Christmas. Tree Farm is now in the permanent lineup, I think. Eucalyptus Snowfall. Is that new, or am I just reading that wrong? That might not be new. Spiced Gingerbread. Crushed Candy Cane. That's been coming out for years now. Cedar and Suede. Sweater Weather. Spiced Apple Toddy. Fresh Balsam again. And 'Tis the Season, which is actually, 'Tis the Season is my Christmas winter, not winter candy apple, pumpkin apple. I love 'Tis the Season. It's wonderful. So those are going to be your White Barns. Then we also have a White Eucalyptus and Sage, Winter Pear Forest. That is new. Birchwood Orchard. I think that's new too. Winter's like all over the place. I remember one time for semi-annual sale, there were like 500 winners at my store for 75% off. It's a good one though. Spiced Citrus Grove, which is new. And Cocoa Roasted Chestnuts. That's another one that is new. There's also one that's going to be called Raspberry Thumbprint. It's a cookie. I think that's like the sought after candle right now. Finding that one. Also, Champagne Toast, Fireside, Snowy Coconut Frost. I think that's new. Christmas Cider, Iced Winter Balsam. That's a good one. Holiday and Cinnamon Spiced Vanilla. Then we move into Falling Flurries. That was last year, I think. Frozen Lake. I'm a no on Frozen Lake. These are White Barn. They're pretty, the labels. Mahogany Balsam, Pistachio and Toasted Vanilla. I think we got that. Did we get that one at semi-annual sale last year? I don't know. It sounds familiar. And Frosted Cranberry. Holiday traditions this year. Vanilla Bean Noel, uh, Golden Berry Mistletoe. That's new. It looks like it's going to be in like a cream colored jar with stripes. I do like the stripy ones. I'm assuming Winter Candy Apple is going to be in there. I don't know where Twisted Peppermint's falling this year. And then the neutrals, Wildberry and UBE. I don't know what that is. Balsam and Bergamot, Palo Santo and Sage, and Coffee and Whiskey, which actually is already out. And then we've got a sugared pomegranate vanilla birch. Looks like there could be 7 in this collection. They're beautiful. I love the jars. There might be one called Crunchy English Toffee. And then these are just ones that people are kind of seeing here and there. Bubbly Rosé is coming out as a Christmas candle. I don't like that one though. You know me and Bubbly Rosé. I'm kind of a no on Bubbly Rosé. That's kind of a no. Let's see, what else do we have on the list? It's funny, right about now is when you're going to start hearing more and more about Christmas. By the way, floor sets. I'm hearing October 23rd, which sounds about right. Oh, peppermint sugar cookie. That one always comes back. I love the jar for peppermint sugar cookie, by the way. It's kind of green and it's got like Christmas trees. It looks old fashioned. I like that. Merry Cookie, cinnamon sugar pecans. I love that one. A lot of people thought that one was light. Single wick jars, strawberry snowflakes, luminous, gingerbread bakery in the mason jar. It's funny. My first Christmas purchase for this year, I don't even know where I put it, you guys, was a soap I picked up. So you're going to start seeing, where did I put that? It's around here somewhere. It was Winter Citrus Wreath. You're going to start seeing first, before anything else like body care, you're going to start seeing wallflowers for Christmas. I'm even thinking those are going to be before October 23rd. Hand soap, and then candles. It's usually the order it goes in. A lot of people might start to be able to get their hands on some of the Christmas stuff in like mid-October, depending on what your store's got going on. So Christmas is obviously coming. The one thing to make note of, which is always interesting, is I just feel like Bath & Body Works does a lot of repackages. Actually, that's not it. This is not a repackage. This is new. This is the mashup, the pumpkin spice latte and twisted peppermint. I gotta review this one. Interesting. I like the radiant red maple. So Twisted Peppermint will be a standalone, obviously, but again, like 90% of the Bath & Body Works collection right now that we're seeing are repackages. I'm sure there's going to be more rolling in that aren't repackages, but it's always interesting to see as Christmas starts to roll. I can't wait to see all of the packaging. Thank you so much to Chris at This Guy Shops and Tess, Life Inside the Page, for always being up on the latest information. I will link them below so you can follow. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.